All right, trumpets, now that we can get those two sounds, we're going to learn how to manipulate this instrument just a little bit. So what I want us to do is find the tuning slide. And the tuning slide is right near the bell. It's this piece that looks like a backwards C that's sticking out, and it has what's called a spit valve or a water key right at the end of it. Carefully put a finger in there, and we're going to slowly pull it out, and it's going to actually come out all the way, and it's its own piece. Put that gently down. Now when we go to play the instrument, it's not going to sound the same. You're going to hear this. It kind of sounds like when you buzz on just the mouthpiece. Just a little bit louder. So go ahead and experiment just with the different sounds that you can make without that's called the tuning slide. Now, I want to try to change that sound still without pushing down any valves. All we're going to do is change your bottom jaw. So say the word O. Now say the word ah. Now say the word E. Go O, ah, E. And now this time put your fingers right here on your jaw and feel what happens. O, ah, E. You should feel it get higher as you go through those words. We're going to buzz on the trumpet, but pretend like we're moving our jaw up and down saying those words. Listen to what happens. You can hear that the sound, the pitch gets higher as I go O-E, and then as I go back down, E-O. It gets lower again. Try that. And you can have a lot of fun trying to get different sounds out of the trumpet without the tuning slide. Try to make a really long fire engine siren. Now we're going to try to make a sort of ambulance type of siren by going from the higher one to the lower one and back and forth between them. Listen. Try it on your own. Now we're going to see how that helps us when we play the trumpet when it's put together all the way. So take the tuning slide. Notice that the top side of it that sticks into the trumpet is shorter and the bottom side is a little bit longer. As we put it back into the instrument, be really careful because you don't want to dent this. It can be dented really easily. We're going to put the bottom longer end inside the tube first, and then carefully work the top tube back in and slowly push it all the way in, and then bring it out maybe about ½ an inch or maybe about the width of your fingertip. And now we're going to try that same motion just with the trumpet put together. So you can hear that I'm actually getting 3 different sounds. The lowest one, the one in the middle, and then the higher one. And I'm going from the low one up to the high one and back down just by going O-E-O. Try it. Now, keep trying that sound over the next week so that we can get really used to what it feels like to play the trumpet.